So part 2. I just had a quick chat with reception and they've given me a quotation for 2 room types, which this is the basic one, on a flash sale for 1,536 baht. That is for 2 people, including breakfast. I think this is going to be one of the rooms he's going to show me. Here we go. Yep, thank you. Quick room tour, and then I'll take you back through to reception again as well, because there's a few things there that I missed on the first. Nice balcony tour. Let's kick my shoes off. I'll spin round inside. Wow. Oh, nice big bed. Do you do twin beds as well? Can you have twin beds? Yes, yes. So you can convert that into twin beds. Oh, an OCR TV, fridge, safe. Is there a safe?
Safe is good.
Ah, fantastic. Thank you. Yeah. Digital safe. Bathroom.
Yes.
Hairdryer. Toilet. Quite a modern shower room with shampoos, etc. Big wardrobe. Oh, you get some nice posh gowns as well.
This pillow.
Yeah. Oh, extra pillows. Sandally things and a couple of brollies. Obviously, when it's raining, you need those. Okay. This looks like it's an adjoining room, so I'm assuming you could put 2 together as a family. All the TV channels. And a room service menu. Pad Thai, one of my favourites. Okay, thank you so much for showing me the room. Oh, and coffee and tea facilities. Coffee and tea, most important first thing in the morning. Can't live without a couple of coffees to get me going. And aircon. Perfect. Okay, thank you so much for showing me around.
Okay, no problem.
So this is the price for this one. They do have the beachfront one, which is, I'm not going to do a tour of that, but just to give you an idea of price. And that's for a beachfront access one, obviously a bit more expensive. So I'll just walk you back through reception because there's a few things there that I didn't show in the first video. Thank you so much for the room tour.
Okay, you're welcome.
So this is located right next to, that's a little pond they've created. Thank you. Oh, lots and lots of shade here, so it's very nice. So these at the back all look like the same room I've just been in. And I will clear my lens before I video anything else. The room rate I did show you does include breakfast, and that is for 2 people per night, inclusive of taxes. So just a couple of things I wanted to show you before I conclude the video again. So this is part 2. So if you do like this kind of stuff, do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for the room tour. Just walk through reception. Thank you, thank you. Just around here, you will see bike hire. Okay, now I've not seen this at many hotels, but there you go. These are charged at 200 baht per night. And it looks like if you're hiring a car, they give you one of these. Like a bike rack. Oh, clever idea. We have a very small gym. Okay, there's no aircon on at the moment. I'm assuming there will be aircon. Oh yeah, aircon. Just there, there's the dial for it, I can see. Oh, very small gym. Okay. Thanks for watching part 2 of the video. So this was the room tour element and just a few extras that the hotel can offer. Okay, as I say, if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.